Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little quick evening reset. We're going to have some cooking and cleaning and hopefully get you motivated to reset your home and have it nice and ready for the next day. Okay, and I have just got a new Grove order in, so I was just going to share with you guys some of actually one of my favorite products from Grove because I've never tried the rest of these. But this is the Yes to Coconut, ultra hydrating 2-in-1 cleanser stick. This thing is probably one of my favorite things from Grove. It is like a little scrubber. I use it to wash my face and my neck with in the shower. And it smells so good and it does such a good job of exfoliating. So you guys definitely need to check this out. And then I have got some of these paper snacks and sandwich bags to try. I just thought they'd be kind of neat not use as much plastic in the house. And I was just intrigued by the whole like paper versus like plastic. So I figured I'd give these a try and see how I liked them for like my lunches and stuff. And then these are like the bamboo straws that they have. And like I really like the metal straws, but I was like fascinated that these were like bamboo. So I just wanted to get these and give them a try. It comes with like 6 to a pack. And then it has like a cleaner that you can like clean your straw out with. But they all come in this little handy, neat little bag that you can keep them all in. And I just really like them. It's kind of like a burlappy bag. And then my last thing I got were these 100% organic unbleached cheesecloths. I had got, or like I guess found a recipe on Pinterest, and it required to use cheesecloth. I really don't remember what the recipe was now because that was like a month ago. But now if I find a recipe that calls for cheesecloth, like if I need to strain anything out, I'll have... Now that we've got a little bit of cleaning done, we're going to go ahead and get started on dinner tonight, and we're going to be having chicken fajitas. Okay, so our chicken's ready. Our rice is back here ready, and we decided to make some quesadillas instead of just eating the chicken and rice and vegetables. So we've got this pan ready to do some quesadillas in. As always, thank you guys so much for the love and support. It absolutely means the world to me. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below maybe your favorite dinner recipe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of motivation. And if you don't want to miss out on any future content, please press the subscribe button and you'll get notifications when I post my latest videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.